In world markets, priority is given to products that are produced using modern technologies. In this context, the subordinate enterprises of the open joint stock company, Tajik Aluminum, are gradually being equipped with the latest equipment and technologies. From today, the Takob enrichment plant began its activities using the most modern technologies. This enterprise produces two types of products, including fluoride concentrate with a capacity of 1,250 tons and mixed zinc and lead concentrate with a capacity of 250 tons per month.
It is our great honour and privilege to be here in Tajikistan, working together with Talco and Takob, with this unique opportunity for investment. We've found that Tajikistan is an incredible investment opportunity. The people are very knowledgeable, the country is very rich in natural resource and extremely rich in human resource. It's our honour and our privilege to be able to be here working on this first project at Takob. It's been our privilege to be able to reopen this particular flotation plant, to extract and optimise the plant, to give calcium fluoride for the Talco aluminium smelter, and just as importantly for us and for an investment, to be able to create another income revenue stream for Tajikistan in the other metals as well. We're very honoured to be here, we're very happy working here, and we plan to do many more projects with Talco and Takob, and we find this an incredible investment destination, and we encourage many other companies to come to Tajikistan and do the same.
During the opening of new production lines, representatives of the Ministry of Industry and New Technologies emphasized that such initiatives are being implemented with the support of the government of the country and attracting foreign capital to some industrial enterprises opening on the old technology.
My name is Michael Cockle. I'm the Deputy Ambassador at the British Embassy in Dushanbe. I'm delighted to be here today at this official opening of this joint venture, this processing plant, here near Safed Dara in just north of Dushanbe. What I've been impressed with is the transformation that's happened over the course of a very, very few months that have turned this into a fully operational plant in the space of a few months. And this is only just the first phase of what should be a long, fruitful and successful joint venture between Vast Resources PLC and Talco, the Tajik aluminium company.
Previously, this enterprise produced 1,000 tons of fluoride concentrate given the old production lines. With the introduction and installation of modern technology, the quality of the product has increased from 90 to 100%, and its production capacity has increased to 1,250 tons. In total, $5 million was invested in the renewal of technological lines, and now, within the framework of the developed project, the introduction and installation of modern equipment in other areas continues. With the existing capacity, the enterprise can process 7,000 tons of ore per month. Raw materials are delivered to the enterprise through a tunnel with a length of more than 2 kilometers. Until today, raw materials are correctly stored at the main point, and up to 250 tons of mined products are transported daily by special vehicles.
I am Abdul Jabbar Gargash, and I'm partner and founder of Central Asia Mineral Trading in Dubai. We are investing here in Tajikistan in the factory with Takob. We are very happy to be here, and we are bringing more investment to this country in order to be participating in the development of this place. We hope that things will be the beginning of many new projects in the future.
In order to save electricity, the company operates on coal. The training of qualified and experienced specialists, the renewal of technological lines, and the production of import substituting products is one of the main requirements in the world market. And in this direction, the government of the Republic of Tajikistan is gradually implementing timely measures as part of the important strategic goal of rapid industrialization of the country.